Hey guys, looks like we have another unboxing, or I should say, I didn't really unbox this. Due to the rise in COVID cases in my area, I decided it would be better to open it up outside and basically just unwrap the rest of it. It's another Walmart motor. It's the specs on it there is EW48/60 volt, 500 watt. I don't know, the serial number 2007, maybe that's when it was made. No idea. It looks alright. I mean, the spokes are a little bit thinner than the other hub motor, but obviously this is a front wheel, so they're going to be thinner spokes. They have a painted rim on it, which I find interesting. Can't scrape the paint off, so I don't think it's very cheap. It's double butted, double walled. It's the other side there. Disc brake compatible. It came with another one of those bags that I will reuse, and then we got some stuff in here we'll have to unwrap. These bags are pretty durable. Okay, what kind of throttles this thing have? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. This is actually a nice throttle. I've had one of these before. It's always nice to get another one. It's got keys, it's got a lock on it, but the best part is it's got a display on it. Figures I get this one after I went and ordered another one. Oh well. Well, I mean, didn't order it. I mean, just put the other one on it. I would prefer that. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, the throttle's nice. And this whole kit costs $250 delivered, which is, once again, cheap. Different color this time. Alright. That's the first time I've ever seen a controller in a bag. Under voltage intelligence identification. 48 to 60 volts, current 20 to 30, 500 watt. Yeah, it is what it is. It's got a seal on it. You break the seal, you own it. Yeah, we'll be breaking the seal on it. I want to see what it looks like on the inside. Alright. What's in this bag? Oh, looks like components. Extra spacers for the disc brake, which is nice to have. Gives you extra brake calipers that are aluminum, not plastic, which is nice. And this is something you don't see every day. 3-speed switch. That's pretty cool. So that's it for that. I think next we're going to do is put that in the vise and open it up and see what the windings are. Okay. And it comes with your washer and your spacer and your lock that goes on the fork, which doesn't really help you anyway. Not sure what Allen key we're going to need for that. Couple. Ooh, first one's a winner. Nope, it is not. Loser. Wow, those things are tight. They don't want you in this wheel. Holy moly! Actually, it's so tight I'm afraid I might break it. Oh, okay, you know what? I hope I never have to service this wheel. Let me try the other side. This will be the first one I can't get into, which is going to totally suck. But these screws are insanely tight. Oh, no, it feels like it's going to strip. Wow. I think we're going to have to take our word on the seller on this one. I'm going to try a different Allen key. Never run into this before. Give me a minute. That's scary. Oh, I got one out. There's enough Loctite on these screws. Ugh, look at that. A little bit of hair on it. But that's why it feels like they're about to strip out, because they're so friggin' tight. They do move though, but it's kind of freaky. Feels like it's going to snap right off in the rim. Not that I'm complaining. Most of them don't put Loctite on their screws. So you can see there's tons of it there. It's blue. My other motor slowly lost them over time. So this seller here is at least took the time to put Loctite on it. But oh my god, every one I'm turning out feels like it's gonna snap clean off in the rim or in the hub. Whoa, that's freaky. Good thing they didn't use a cheap screw. These are our machine screws here, so they're not going to snap off. Whoa. Yeah, so I'll leave a link in the description for this wheel. It's probably one of the last sellers on Walmart.ca that sells them for $259. They're going up to like over $400 a kit, so I'm hoping this one's got decent windings. Now, the difference between this one and the other one is the fill. Each pole had a single strain going to it with a single turn in line with each other, so that was just totally flat all the way across the fill. Now this one here should be, you know, heaping with copper. You know what I mean? Will be nice and neat like the other one was. And getting into this is going to be a pain. Whew, shrieks. Now you make sure when you open your hub like this that you don't stick a screwdriver too far in there. You don't want to nick the your windings. Oh yeah, that's a nice fill. I'm liking that. This one definitely is better. For one, the bearings are sealed, which is nice. But let me show you this. Ugh. Lots of fill in there. Nice thick windings. You can see this is definitely like turns over turns. This will definitely take 60 volts. I have no doubt about that. And there's your turns there, 7.9. That looks pretty good. We're still going to put a couple of holes in the casing though to vent it out, which I think I was going to do it on the disc side, or no, not on the disc side. Cool. Okay, we're going to quickly break the seal on this controller just to see what the quality is like, if they even bother to put heat paste on it or anything. So here goes the warranty. See, I told you eventually they start sealing these things up. Okay, so right off the bat, those 1600 watt controllers I have didn't even have washers in them. This one does. which you kind of need, and they're rubber, so that's good. So far this kit's looking better and better. I hope he didn't cut corners and forget to grease the heat spreader, but we'll see. Okay, so the caps they put in are rated for, you gotta be kidding me, 80 volts. So yeah, you can run 60 volts through this, no problem. And the best part, they greased it. Sweet. One thing I don't see though is the shunt. They do away with shunts or what? That's weird. Where's the shunt? Oh, there it is over there. There's two of them right there. Yeah, it's definitely 20 amps, not 30. Two shunts. Cool. Once again, good deal. This controller will last. Put it back together properly. Well, we'll just make this part one, guys. It's still got a long ways to go. I gotta mark this out for, get the bit ready to drill some holes in it. And then we'll do a spin test and everything else. That's about it. Hopefully you get something out of it. For $250, I got a deal on this one for once. Way better than the other kits, and that's pretty nice. Good windings. You'll be able to take a little bit of abuse. Still got the plastic inserts and everything else, but you're not going to get away from that. I mean, they just find ways to make them cheaper and cheaper. They don't use the bamboo and that anymore. But well, most of them don't anyway. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Later.